So you can now check your DuckChain allocation and also initiate a withdrawal for your DuckChain in preparation for forthcoming listing. Just 7 days left. So if you come to your DuckChain account, proceed to the airdrop section. So from your airdrop section, we're going to see the section for token. You're also going to see a section for withdrawal. Another section for token, we see the allocation, what you've actually been allocated. And for mine, you can see it's 3,000 plus. I was I was in level 12. So then if you scroll down, you're going to see that here it said it will be listed on OKX. So far, so good. It's only OKX that they've actually indicated or announced that to be listing blockchain. We are not sure. Maybe other exchange will actually show interest or be willing to actually join the parade. So far, so good. Only OKX exchange have been announced. So then after you see your allocation, then you come to the withdrawal section. So when you come to the withdrawal section, there are, I think, about 3 options there. So when you come to you have the public mainnet boost. In my own opinion, I don't advise anyone to use that option because from experience, when the token is listed, after some time, the token will drop. So if you use this boost option, you're going to have access to your token February 5th, and who knows the price of DuckChain at that point. So I don't advise that. I appreciate if you have a full control of your token. Then here we have off-chain claim, and the only exchange available here is OKX exchange. Quite a number of people, especially for those in Nigeria, OKX is not working. So this option you can actually use. And for those of you that OKX is working in your country, you can go ahead and link the OKX exchange to your DuckChain account. Then for those of us who say OKX is not working in a country, we only have OKX. Only have on-chain claim that you can use, and it will only be available at when the token is listed. That's 7 days from now. So the only thing you can actually do, which I will encourage you to do, is to wait for this option to be activated so that you claim or withdraw your token. Or more importantly, another thing that can actually happen is if more exchange were added. But for now, only OKX exchange. So drop in the thought in the comment section your allocation and what level you are able to get to before the final deadline. See you at the top.